Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and here we are with the last project for this class. I am so excited that you take this class, and as I've been saying in all the videos, you definitely want to have to make this class the Signs of Santa. So this is the bundle. You have the Santa Signpost Frameless as well as the Signs of Santa stamp set. And this pack, the Make and Take pack, has a spool of the Puppy Parade texture wave ribbon, so you also need to have this, and also a pack of the Santa's Workshops enamel shapes. So definitely something you have to have. I use for this one the let me see, where do I put it? Yeah. So use the takeout thinly. So this one will be already die cut for you, but you pretty much die cut 2 of these ones. And what is really cool about it is that you can actually die cut it out of 1/2 of a sheet. So out of one piece of paper, let me just show you here, because I actually save it for you to see it. But out of half of it, you get 1. So out of 1, you'll get 2 of these takeouts boxes. So I think it will be a great thing, and you can see it. I just cut it twice for you, so you have it there. So the first thing that you need to be doing is you're gonna be pretty much folding everything, and it already does the what is this called, the scoring for you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do these, because this will be great for like a teacher gift or someone at the office, don't you think? I mean, I think this will be, you can put a little chocolate inside and, you know, make someone feel special that you thought about them without being very expensive of a gift. I like doing those things for craft fairs too, and I know that when I go to craft fairs, a lot of people purchase these for like teachers gifts and people at the office. So definitely something you might want to consider. So here we go. So now you're going to be gluing down these sections, okay? So this will go like so, okay? So you could use this because it's a box and it's a little bit stronger than is nail, so you definitely want to make sure you have something stronger that is nail, or you can also use the tumbled liquid. I personally don't do the greatest with the liquid tumble, but I've been starting to using it little by little. But for this type of projects, I think it's nice to have this type of adhesive. So then we're gonna go ahead and peel it off. I always burnish it and then peel it off. Let me just put it on my trash can. And so this one will go like so. You see that? So and I always burnish everything, because you never know. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I have here these sections, and see this one, let me see, does that one, I think it might look better to do here on the smaller ones. See that? And then the other 2 large ones, I won't do it, you know? Let me just see. Because this one, well, it looks good, so I'll put it on all of them. So let's just go ahead and put them on all. I think it looks fantastic, you know? The only thing is that this one will have less showing up than the other ones. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it like so. And Alrighty. Then I have this one. And I'll do the same here. And the same one here. Alrighty, now I'm going to be putting adhesive, and I'm going to be again using the same type of adhesive here. Just going to go ahead and use my scissors here. Okay, so now we're gonna burnish these things again. And we're gonna peel out these things. Okay. There we go. And then the only thing is that if it's a little bit bigger, I always try to hide the glue inside so it doesn't stick outside the box. And so now it's just a matter of putting it together. So like in this case, I'll go ahead and use these. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the same here. And you can see what I'm doing here, right? So and I always go back and burnish those. Alright, so here we go. So I have those things inside. And usually what I'm doing is doing that, but I always do it with a table so that way it's flat and I can do a nice burnish. On all sides. And then I'll put my little candy there, and you can see on this one they kind of go like so. I won't close it right now because I want to put a little candy there, but once I have my candy there, then I'm going to be closing, and you just need to pull these two together like so. Do you see that? And that's it. Okay, like I said, I don't want to do it right now because I want to make sure I put the candy first. Now let me see if oh, you know what? I actually do have a candy here. Let me see. I think I do. Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second here. Because I do have a good candy here. So I'm going to put like one of these. Oh, actually I think it fits like two of them. So let's just put a few of these candies. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close it. And there we go. See that? It looks really cute. It has the candy there. And then you have these pieces, okay? Now for these, you're gonna be, you can see it here, I use Whisper White, and this is 2 by 3. And what I did here is, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of adhesive, because I wanna put a little bit of this border. Showing up. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue these to this. And then cut the excess. So like in this case, cut this excess. So you have it here. Then I'll have my Mrs. Claus. And I put here, do not open till Christmas, of course. Yes, so this one. And I'll put it in Memento. Do not open till Christmas. There we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue it down to this. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut here. And this is garden green, and it's a quarter, I'm sorry, not a quarter, a half of an inch. And we're just going to do a little banner like we have been doing in all the projects. Let me here. There we go. We're gonna put a little dimensional. Where's my dimensional here? I'll put 2 of the dimensionals. Two of the dimensionals, and there we go. We're gonna put those 2 here. Yes, I like that. And we're gonna put dimensionals also on this one, of course. I'm gonna put dimensionals here. And for this one, I am going to be providing on your packets a little bit of the twine, because you need to have some twine. So there's going to be a little bit of these, but you can use any other twine. And here's what we're going to be doing. I think it will be nice if we put a little bow, or not, I should say, because I've been doing that all this time. Again, I always do it from this spool. So now that I have it here, I'm going to go ahead here and here, and I'm going to be having, you know what, I'm going to be I'm gonna put it, I wanna have it like so, but I think this was too big. So I'm gonna just cut a little bit here. So your piece might be a little bit smaller. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be cutting it to like 2. Yeah, a little bit. We're gonna be cutting this one in like 2 3/4 when you get your packets. Just because it's 2 3/4. It's too big. Okay. And then I'll put here a little bit of this one. And so you just need to make a hole there. So give me a second. Oh. Okay. So you just need a hole punch. I have an old one here. I'm going to go ahead and put it like so. And then I'm going to be tying these here. That way they can have a little and voila. So here it is. So this is how it will go. Okay. So when you're giving this to someone, you can leave this in his desk or in his office, or her office, I should say, and be ready. So anyway, hope you have liked it. I love this one, and I think it's great that it fits like 2 candles, like 2 Ferrero Rocher maybe. You can put all the little things there. So hopefully you have enjoyed it, and thank you so much again for taking this class. I appreciate every one of you. And I would appreciate if you give me some feedback about this class, because again, I'm just starting out during the holidays doing this September through December right now, and if they go well, I might be doing more. So your feedback will be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.